Hello friends. Today we are dealing with an amazing app called Grasshopper. This is an Android application which is developed for learning coding. You can learn to code for free on your phone in as little as 5 minutes a day. And you don't need any basics for this. Okay, let's start learning by installing the Grasshopper. Open Play Store. Search Grasshopper. There it is. Click on Install. The developer of this application is Google LLC. The features of this app is very interesting. You can write real JavaScript as you solve visual puzzles. Real-time feedback guides you like a teacher is an important feature of this app. And also there are mini quizzes to test your knowledge. Let's go through the application. You need to sign up the app using your Google account. Here the application wants to know our experience in coding. You can select any one of them according to your experience. I am selecting no experience so that we can start learning from the basics. From here onwards you will start learning. First they tell us about programming language. Here the application wants to know why you study coding or your purpose for study the coding. You select any one as your wish and continue learning. Here I am selecting to build an application or website. Let's check that. Wow, it is very interesting to use. Learning in here is like playing games. Here we can understand every concepts of coding. This is because the presentation is very well, and you can set reminders for everyday learning. Great application. If you want to study coding for free with lots of fun and factors, install the application now. Link in the description. If you like this video, please use the like button. If you have any suggestion, feel free to use the comment box. Thank you for watching.